Well, after Uvalde, we were a little concerned and wanted to make sure our officers knew what to do in a situation with the active shooter and that they would go in immediately. And being a rural county, our concern was there'd be a lot of times an officer may have to go in alone, and we did not want them waiting. We wanted them to respond immediately. So we started talking with the schools about when we could do some joint training. And we thought that it would be very important to have the teachers involved in the training. And I can't say enough about the teachers at Burke County Public Schools coming out. We have had an abundance of teachers and sharing that information back and forth with each other about what they are seeing in the schools, what they think would work, and with us and us sharing our situations and how we have to respond has been great.
I think it's very relevant in the time that we live in. It's very purposeful. My job as a principal is to keep my kids safe and my staff safe, so it's very relevant. And so it's really made me think as a school principal of things that maybe I've not thought about that I need to prepare for this school year.
I feel excited for the new school year as everybody does, and having this training, it has really helped to ease the fear of can this happen, will it happen, when it happen. I feel like this has provided knowledge for me to take back to my school leadership team and think about how can we even do more to protect ourselves. I feel like those children are my children, and I would want somebody to take the initiative, step up to protect them.
The number one thing that we must do is stop the threat immediately. And that's where, because we're in a rural area, that officers may go in alone and they cannot wait. They've got to go in immediately.
Being a parent, I don't know if there is anything that you can say to another parent that is going to calm them and if something like this were to happen. The only thing that I could tell them is that we have taken proactive measures to train our officers, to educate our officers, to work with our partners, law enforcement partners in this county to prepare for something like this. And in the event, if something like this were to happen, we will act, we will fall back on our training, we will do something, we will be there, and we will try to inform the parents as soon as we can.